Yahoo and most of our friends in the industry are going is basically trying to understand the market, what the market is looking like, and then deliver the product to them rather than trying to create a product and just throw it over there. It's a very fast-growing market, obviously, right? From an interest standpoint, there's no boundaries. So whether you develop a product in the US or South Africa or South America or Indonesia, right? It's a product anybody can access to.
This Yahoo caching system. So it is our own CDN that we have deployed across the world. It consists of the network stack, it consists of the intelligent routing algorithms, and it also consists of the software and the hardware stack from which we deliver it. We can actually think about the origin server resides somewhere in the US, but your users are in APAC or ASEAN, Southeast Asia. You don't have to travel all the way to the US to get that content. You get it, locally from the servers near you.
Cache transforms it. Other ways, like the origin servers knows about it. So one of the possible ways is like you can extend the Apache traffic server to have a plugin which tags based on the user agent. Okay, this reply, so this request is for a tablet or is for a smartphone or is it for a feature phone, and the origin replies back accordingly. And we use the vary header so that the traffic server caches a different set of response for feature phones, smartphones, and tablets.
Yeah, but where the source is not that intelligent, it doesn't make sense for the cache not to do it.
Yeah, so we actually depend on the source to be intelligent on that side, and depend on the vary header to cache different types of content depending upon the user agent.
Platform. So what do you think this
I think you see fundamentally we're in its evolution, right? From the PC era to the cloud era. And in that era, we're going to build out lots of infrastructure across the board, across all our companies, across the service providers, across the end users, right? They're all going to have cloud-like attributes. And I think it's very important that we, as a community, share best practices, share information, be able to kind of help each other in building out the right architectures going forward. It's in all our best interests. And, fundamentally, we at Citrix, at least, my team at Citrix believes this wholeheartedly. You see, and we not just talk the talk, we walk the talk as well, right? In some sense, Zen itself is a massive open source project. Cloud Stack now has been donated to the Apache Foundation and will become a very vibrant open source project. And so, we truly believe in sharing, in that the transparency that the open source process brings to the mix is very important, and I think communities and events like this will help foster that. The connection between the commercial side of things, the open source side of things, the operational side of things, the development side of things, bringing the nexus of all those people together in one room, right, is very important. I think it's very important, especially in India, where we may not at this time have, let's say, data centers that are operating at the scale of data centers around the world, but we have the people here thinking through those problems. They need to collectively, I think, if we get everybody together, we can actually become very capable. It's as a community, as a local community, right?